I am on my way to the Ronald McDonald Hospital. I'm working with Hunter Douglas as an additional sponsor. I'm going to show you around. Come take a look.
My name is Soraya Rivera Moya. I'm the Executive Director for Ronald McDonald House Charities. This organization has been here for 41 years, specifically this building. And what we do is that we help families that have sick children that are going through a very difficult medical journey, and we give access to medical care because they're staying here with us.
Well, welcome again. My name is Dawn. I'm the house manager here, and I'm going to take you on a tour.
Yeah.
So this right here is our heart to heart wall.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. You all have made a huge difference in our lives.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Yeah, no, it's awesome. Awesome.
Over here is a full-size kitchen. Basically, they set up everything that a family can need.
Families have the internet here, computers. Behind you are books right here. If a family wants to take a book, they take a book and they keep it. We also have groups that come and do barbecues here if they wanted to barbecue. It's a nice area. It's secured for the families to sit out here and enjoy the weather.
Just amazing. Little something that everybody needs, a little bit of home away from home. It's just something that just humbles me, and it's just amazing what you guys are doing.
Thank you.
And everybody out there, we got to give back. We're all blessed, but we all could do a little bit more.